the technology behind the world's largest oil rigs. To drill an oil/gas well to depths greater than 6,000 meters, the drilling industry requires the assistance of personnel in addition to a complicated array of machinery and materials. Although the drilling industry has seen technological advancements, these advancements have not altered the fact that, in addition to the use of complicated machinery, successful drilling is the result of a tremendous team effort. Drilling and completing an oil or gas well requires the collaboration of a large number of individuals from the operating firm as well as multiple service companies. To drill a hole, a drilling rig is employed, and to do so, it is necessary to have trained staff, a range of kinds of equipment, and the application of many different kinds of technology. When a drilling project is started, two objectives need to be accomplished: to drill and complete the well in a manner that is both safe, about both personal injuries and technical issues, and appropriate for its intended use. To finish the job while spending as little money as possible. The overall costs of the good need to be optimized, and this optimization may have an impact on where the well is drilled, onshore extended reach or offshore above reservoir. The drilling technology that is utilized, conventional or slim hole drilling, as well as the evaluation procedures that are carried out to collect subsurface information for use in future drilling projects. In the oil and gas business, rotary drilling is the most effective type of technology that is currently in use. It is a method of drilling that involves continuously rotating the bit in a circular motion to crack rocks. At the same time, drilling fluids move through the bit and up the well bore to the surface. This method makes it feasible to drill the wells safely and efficiently. Drilling rig with a rotary bit. The drilling rig is made up of various pieces of equipment and machinery that are stationed at the so-called drilling site. In most cases, the drilling rig does not belong to the oil company but rather to drilling service companies. These companies rent out the drilling rig along with its operators, and build the well according to the requirements outlined by the customer. More than 80% of oil and gas companies are in the process of undergoing a digital transformation right now. This transition has the potential to free up $1.6 trillion by increasing reliability, enhancing operational efficiency, and simultaneously developing new value. In addition, the implementation of common innovation processes can assist the oil and gas industry in gaining environmental credibility. This is because emerging technologies such as robotics and drones, artificial intelligence, and wearable technologies present concrete options for lowering greenhouse gas emissions, conserving water, and preventing oil spills, among other things. In conclusion, the present operational technology not only results in operations that are more efficient and pose a lower risk, but it also can supply a plethora of process data that can be used to optimize the oil and gas extraction procedures. Major benefits of automation and digital transformation in the oil and gas industry include the following. Emerging technologies offer the oil and gas industry several benefits, including the potential to reduce production costs, improve health and safety, and lessen the company's impact on the environment. Robotic drilling systems, often known as RDSs, can provide entirely unmanned drill floors for land and offshore operations thanks to the robotic technology they employ. RDSs can handle pipes and tools, as well as take the place of casing crews and tongs. Furthermore, they can take care of machinery that includes spinning activities. In addition, cutting-edge drilling technology provides self-movable automated drill rigs, which can be moved across an oil field from one well location to the next. These rigs are capable of drilling at depths of up to 30,000 feet. In-pipe inspection robots, also known as IPers, can identify serious faults in pipes, such as cracks, corrosion, and other major flaws that can cause pipe failures and put a stop to production. These robots are fitted with sensors for non-destructive testing, which are then placed throughout the pipeline network. At this point, IPers are capable of operating on their own. They can transmit data and control signals. For instance, IPers are outfitted with wireless sensor networks, WSNs, that not only monitor pipeline integrity but are also capable of detecting sand buildup, pipe damage, vandalism or theft, and fluid leakage. In addition, they can transmit data and control signals. The relay nodes in a WSN are meant to communicate with one another and deliver data to a central base station. The use of unmanned aerial vehicles, often known as UAVs, is yet another option for the inspection of oil and gas installations. The employment of drones to inspect storage tanks, pipelines, and refineries is becoming increasingly popular. Drones are often controlled from a ground control station, and their operation necessitates the utilization of advanced flight control methods, including inertial navigation, data fusion, and tracking control. Because of these characteristics, drones are useful for the investigation of oil and gas reservoirs that are located in harsh areas that are unfit for human exploration. Inspections can be carried out more quickly and safely with the use of drones that have been outfitted with thermal cameras, lights, and optical camera operators. In addition to the utilization of smart sensors and the interconnection of machines, the most recent advancements in 4D seismic data collecting and processing capacity are assisting oil and gas firms in capturing more precise subsurface geology to locate deposits of fossil fuels. Companies in the oil and gas industry that are already looking ahead to the following. Maersk Oil has established a new unmanned platform, the Tyra Southeast B, which is located in the Danish North Sea. This comes after the Norwegian Oseberg H, which is located on the Norwegian continental shelf, became the first unmanned, fully automatic, and remote operating platform. It is anticipated that Tyra will increase its reserves by 50 million barrels of oil equivalent, MMBOE, during the next 3 decades. Companies like Statoil, Energy Oil, New Oil, the Wood Group, and the China Offshore Oil Engineering Corporation are concentrating their efforts on techniques that will allow them to access a greater number of smaller reservoirs. Less than 20 MMBOE of recoverable reserves are considered to be contained in a reservoir to be considered small. According to a survey by Energy Oil, 88 fields in the North Sea contain less than 15 MMBOE and have the potential to be developed through the use of technologies such as buoys, for instance. Others are beginning to focus their attention on the region that is located north of the Arctic Circle, which may contain about 30% of the world's undiscovered gas and 13% of the world's unexplored oil reserves. Ocean and subsea technology, remote sensing, and autonomous underwater vehicles are being utilized in the exploration drilling of oil and gas resources that are localized in deep water and far offshore in Canada by Statoil and Husky Energy. This exploration is taking place in the Flemish Pass Basin, which is located approximately 500 kilometers off the east coast of Canada. In conclusion, automation and digitalization might be able to assist the oil and gas industry in gaining certain benefits in the areas of public health, environmental performance, productivity, operations, efficiency, and dependability, as well as investment. Because of the tremendous shifts that have taken place in the production, consumption, and distribution of energy, oil and gas businesses need to make changes to maintain their competitive edge. The time has come when people will have greater authority to make decisions that are based on information that is current at the moment. What do you think about this video? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.